Hey guys, it's just a quick video that I wanted to do for you all whenever you are doing any kind of work with a table saw. I've got my job site saw sitting out here, and one of the things that happens a lot of times when you move these saws around is that the fence may get just a little bit out of square. Something that's very common as you're getting equipment in and out. And what I wanted to do is just talk to you a little bit about how that you can line that fence back up where your cuts, you know that they are as straight as they need to be. Something that does occasionally happen, if this fence gets out of square with the blade out of parallel, your cuts are not going to be as accurate as they need to be. So taking just a few minutes before your project to actually ensure that the fence and the blade are parallel is a great way to help your work go a little easier and a great way to help it look much better. What you will do is raise your blade all the way up to where you have the best surface area to measure against, and then measure the distance from your blade to the fence. And you want to do this on both sides of the blade. We measure it on this side, and then we come over to this side and measure also and see exactly how far your fence may be out. Now, I've already adjusted this fence. I was out about around 1/8 of an inch, and all I had to do was to loosen these two screws very slightly and then just tap it back into square, just a little bit of back and forth measuring, and we have our fence now back lined up and ready to use for a project. This is just a quick video tip for the day. If you are ever involved in doing any kind of woodworking, you know that the more accurate your equipment is set up, the better results you're going to get. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe. Check out the links down in the description, and we'll see you next time.